Make homemade spy stuff. You can be James Bond without the expensive suit, sexy leading lady, and fancy gadgets. All you need is your wits on how to make homemade spy stuff. Your high school physics will be very helpful on this. But if you're like most people, you're probably out of ideas on what to do. Tickle your imagination by trying the following homemade spy stuff: invisible ink. There are many versions of the so-called invisible ink. It is used for sending hidden messages so that your enemies will not know what you want to convey. The most popular way to send a hidden message is through a crayon. You'll write the message on a blank sheet of paper using a stick or anything that don't really write. The receiver can read the message if he'll apply a color on the blank paper. Another version of this is using lemon juice. Dip a stick or anything pointy in the lemon juice. Use this like an ink. Write using it on the paper. Any paper will do, but the best is a recycled paper. Trick your enemies by writing the hidden message on a printed paper or a paper with fake or fool's message. The receiver can read the message after pressing the paper with flat iron or putting it above a lit-up candle. The lemon juice burns easily, which will cause discoloration. Book safe/messenger. It is easy to turn a normal book into a spy stuff. But once done, this book can be useful in many ways. First, get the perfect book that will serve as a spy stuff. It should be thick, big, and unsuspicious. Open the book and then cut a hole in its pages so you'll make hollow center. Make it as big as necessary. The hole can be used to keep secret spy items or can keep important message. Don't let anyone suspect that this spy book is something more than just a book. Keep it in the bookshelf or anywhere that your books are also kept. Install a small surveillance camera. Sunglasses, neckties, necklaces, bracelets, earrings, and pens can be used for attaching a small surveillance camera. Doing this, however, will need electrical know-how. If you won't mind, invest on these gadgets. There are sunglasses, neckties, and other usual stuffs that were installed with hidden cameras and voice recorders. You'll skip the hassles of making it yourself, yet you'll still enjoy the intelligent engineering of the spy gadgets. Sew secret pockets to clothes. You need to keep some spy gadgets and stuffs from suspicious eyes. You can do that if you only have secret pockets to your clothes. Better start sewing secret pockets now before you realize the need to do so. The perfect spots for the pockets are hidden and won't be checked by security. Undergarments, under the collar, and end of sleeves are perfect for the secret pockets. Most of the time, spies make stuffs and gadgets because of the immediate need. Designing spy stuffs because of immediate need might encourage you to design better gadgets. Just don't limit your knowledge on what are enumerated above. Explore more possibilities and be inspired of how other secret agents design their gadgets. Who knows? Your simple homemade spy stuff hobby might be a successful career in the future.